Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to modify the cristae of mitochondria. Now, this is made possible because some of our mitochondria have been created using our BioBrushes, and you'll know that it's been made with a BioBrush when you click on the mitochondria, the inner membrane, and you notice a bunch of these little blue nodes running all along the membrane. That way you'll know that you can actually modify and kind of tweak the positioning of the cristae. So in this case, you've got your beautiful pathway set up, and sometimes you want to sort of clear away the area for the arrow to move through, and the cristae may be in the way. So what you can actually do is kind of use these blue nodes to kind of toggle and recreate your own cristae shape. So very simply, just drag and drop. And if you want to remove a node, if you've got too sharp of a kink, you simply right click and delete that node. So it kind of recreates that softer curve for you. And already we've got a nice clearing there for the arrow to pass through. And then you can kind of continue this all the way around so that wherever you place your arrows, or perhaps proteins that require a specific amount of space, you can actually clear away some of the folds of the cristae to suit your composition.